What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your D or E drive not showing up in my computer. So let's get right into this. So if you have the D or E drive not showing up in this PC or my computer, as you can see over here, there's a quick way to fix this. So first, obviously, when you come to this PC, you'll only see one drive, obviously, right? You're missing D or E, and you know you have it, and it's just not there. So there's an easy way to basically fix this, is you want to go to your search bar, and you want to type in computer management until you see this pop up. Once you have this popped up, you want to click into disk management under storage. In here, you can make this a little bit bigger. You'll see like different types of your files here. Right now, I actually do not have a D or E. You can make one if you want to, but I don't have one. But your D or E will basically not have a letter in front of it, and it will look very similar to this. It might even say healthy recovery partition, but it's missing it should have this NTFS, basically file system type, and you should be able to right click into it to do this. And the main thing you need to click on is change drive letter and path. Most likely your memory will be significantly higher for that as well. You want to click into this. Basically you press add, and then it says assign the following letter, whatever letter you basically sign it, D, E, F, whatever, right? Once you do this, you basically press OK. You come back here and you just refresh this section, and voila, it'll basically pop up over here now. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like this video, please smash it up. Go to the channel, make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell on that. MoTutorials out. Peace.